Most people don't think to come to use PCM, photochemical machining. They'll laser it or water jet it or come up with another solution because it seems like it costs a lot of money. It is not as expensive as you think it is. We can certainly do it quickly and very accurately and highly precision. Hi, my name is Robert. I represent Photo Fabrication Engineering Incorporated. We manufacture photochemical machine products. The cost and timing to use this technology is relatively inexpensive. Our tooling is a photo tool, under $500. Beyond that, our minimum orders, $500–600 for the yield of 2 sheets. I say around $1,000–1,100, I'll deliver any widget on this table in 4 weeks or less. So the technology is very agile and it's actually really great for engineers developing new products. They can change the design, tweak the designs relatively inexpensively and relatively quickly. Basically, it's a photolithography process where we transfer an image onto sheets of metal to give us precision products. We are etching multiple products at once out of one sheet of metal. And this is a burr-free and a stress-free process. We don't forge metal, cut metal, machine metal. We dissolve metal away using chemicals. And this allows for the burr-free process. Stress-free basically means that we're not introducing any energies or tool hardening or work hardening into the metal. We're just dissolving it away. So when you start with a full hard metal, it's full hard when we're done. It could be annealed, it could be tool hardened steel. Chemistry will etch through it. We're not constrained by any one industry. We support the microelectronic industry, telecom, datacom, military aerospace, medical. This part here is cranial mesh. This is titanium cranial mesh. If, God forbid, you had a plate in your head, that is the metal plate. And that's etched titanium, burr-free, very important in the process. We specialize in more thin metals, from foils like this, which is a very thin foil gasket, up to thicker plates, similar to this fuel cell plate for hydrogen fuel cell technologies. This is a replica of a much larger part. They get up to be about 2 by 3 feet. The key to this technology is that we're able to etch channels because we can not only have to go through, but we can actually put channels in. If this was conventionally machined, this plate here would probably take an hour per side to machine. We can etch this in probably a half an hour, both sides, burr-free. We can do very fine mesh screen patterns. The smallest feature that our technology can resolve is 0.006 inches or 6/1000ths of an inch. This is a lead frame for a microelectronic application where we've added nickel and gold plating for corrosion and solderability. This allows it to be wire bondable in the applications to come. We can do everything from prototype levels, which is basically the yield of 2 sheets, up to thousands, millions of pieces, whatever you need. We also do a lot of what we call EMI RF shielding. This is board level shielding for mounting on the PC board. We make them flat and form it into a box. Manually, you'll get a 90-degree bend, no hard tooling other than the photo tool that we began with. A portion of our business too, since its inception, we're 50 years old, is our decorative side of our business, where we make decorative keepsake ornaments. These use the same technology, chemical etching, to create the shapes, and with secondary operations like screen printing, or in this case, full color inkjet printing, we can create a very beautiful keepsake ornament, put it in a nice fancy box. These are hand assembled, built, and manufactured in the United States of America.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.